On today's body cam, we're checking out trash talking woman learns a lesson about road rage.
We're taking a look at a road rage incident that happened on May 28th in Kissimmee, Florida.
I guess they cut each other off to the point that right before the bridge, he tried to pass her and she pulled out a gunner.
Okay.
Right before the bridge.
Where's she at?
She's in that car. It's too hot. That's her car. Signal 0 is supposed to be in there. She got up on my license. So-called, this is the victim.
Okay.
Yeah.
The officer went to detain the suspect.
All right, come on, Stephanie.
Hi.
Hey, Stephanie. You have her ID or his ID?
I have her, both of them.
Do me a favor and just turn around.
I'm going to jail?
Just turn around for now.
Okay.
Don't play stupid. You know you going to jail.
We're gonna go over here.
Both of your cars?
Yeah. I'll put it in mine. I'm gonna read you something, okay?
I believe in Jesus, baby. You gonna see?
I'm gonna read you something.
You gonna
okay?
see?
Okay. All right. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and won't be used against you in the court of law.
At a stop sign. I took too long to turn. So he starts beep. I'm turning and he's still beeping. So I beep at him back. I guess that pissed him the off. So he starts following the he almost hit my car. He's still following me. So I ran a couple stop signs so he ran them with me. And then he's like, I look out the window. I was like, bitch, what you following me for? Stop following me. He's like, no, bitch, I live here. Then I'm gonna beat your asses. So cool. Run another stoplight sign. He goes through the grass to get behind me because there was a car behind me. He goes through the grass to get behind me. And then when we're at a road like this, he gets on the other side and he starts window to window. He gets window to window and he starts talking shit, saying he's gonna beat my ass. So I was like, bitch, you gonna beat whose ass? You gonna shoot who, bitch? And I didn't pointed at him, but it's like this. I didn't even put the window down. The window was not down. Then I keep going, and when I keep going, he doesn't stop. And then I stop right here because I see the firefighter station.
Did you want to press charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, so it's going to be a road rage incident. It started at,
What is
and then he says, oh, I'm gonna blast you, bitch. So I was backing out, the bitch. Yo.
Where did it start?
Stop at the stop sign. I don't know. I would be lying if I tell you I know where.
So he's telling us that he's more familiar with there is by the VFW.
Saying because he lives here that he can follow bitches.
The VFW for Clay, I don't know if it says in Randolph, I think. I don't know.
he honked at her, like she's saying obnoxiously.
And you say you never showed him the gun?
No, I put it out in my car after he said he was gonna shoot me and beat my ass. After 10 minutes of following me, and he gets on the other lane and goes window to window threatening me again. I was like, you gonna shoot who, bitch? You gonna beat who? I didn't say I'm gonna shoot you. I never said that. He said that at least 2 times. And the 3rd time, I'm pretty sure you heard it. I don't know if you caught it. He said, I'm gonna blast your ass. What's it called? Cool. I never threatened his life. Most I had was actually have a gun. But you over here telling me you have a gun, you gonna beat my ass. You're not gonna stop following me, and you still following me. But I don't know. Whatever.
So he was in his car, so we're going to have an ag assault. And
Yeah, she's cooked, man. She's cooked. I mean, it's tough because if what she's saying is true, you know, I could see somebody getting agitated and, yo, you gonna do what? The who? What? You met the right one today. You know what I'm saying? Not you met the wrong one. You met the right one today. I'm about to send you up to them gates. You hear me? Ooh, hasta luego. You what? You gonna do what? The who? Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Because in that situation, you don't know if somebody has something. And you know, you could be threatened. But now on the flip side of it, this could be all made up. He probably never even said any of that. You know, I don't know. That's for the officers to decide. But she is in the wrong though. You can't just be waving your. Come on, man. That's crazy.
And her vehicle's here, the gun's here. She's already detained, so we're gonna unfortunately have to tow it and do a search warrant.
How you doing? Very good. So what's going on?
Yeah, let's see his version.
Probably said it a couple of times.
She just went crazy on me because I beeped the horn because she was on the phone and the stop sign, nobody there. So I beeped the horn. She opened her window, went crazy. I went to pass her. She caught me in the lane. So I tried to pass her again. She accelerated, went both lanes like that, all crazy. Dead stop. All my eyes and my coolers went over me. My whole car is wet because I had to stop in the tracks. So I went to pass by. She cut me and pulls out a gun. I'm going to follow this woman. So I follow her. And she got out of the car. He saw the video, spit on me there. Got out the car twice, fired the army. You can ask her. She got up in the middle of the street when I got to me with her ass on the middle of the street. You know, I got 3 numbers. I don't.
Wait, hold on. Do that again for my lady followers, man. I got y'all, man. I got y'all. Don't worry. Don't worry. For my ladies that watch, look at my guy right here. Look at this. Yeah, do that again for the ladies, man. Look, I'm gonna close my eyes, man.
Got out the car twice, fired the army. You can ask her. She got up in the middle of the street when I got to me with her ass on the middle of the street. You know, I got 3 numbers. I'm not gonna be looking for troubles with nobody. I don't want you to be calling my company. You know what I mean? And I got the video. He saw it. She comes out and all that. The only thing I told him, look, she wasn't so nasty. Walk by instead of throwing me kids and doing that shit. Say sorry. I forget about it. But don't be so nasty. Now I do want to press the charges.
The officers got a written statement from the man before searching the woman's vehicle for the gun.
I believe his story. His story makes sense. He's wet. You know, he's to me, he's a little bit more detailed. And he did the whole 9, man. He twerked and everything. He got the reenactments down packed and everything, man. So I believe his story.
The best writer of the word. But
You're good.
pretty sure you can understand. I was stop sign, beat my horn.
I was
Right.
stop sign.
Do you have any cameras or anything in your vehicle by any chance?
No, just
Just
the
your
one
phone.
I recorded
Okay.
when she got off.
That's
the car.
fine. Make sure you send them a link for that.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
I have your license. That's your phone number.
Okay. Who that? Who got the big body Benz? Oh, that's her?
Yeah.
11, 31. And she had one in her.
Yep. Nice little hollows.
The officers ran the gun's serial number, which turned up a surprise.
Can you run a signal 0 for me, please?
I'm finding one stolen out of Orange County.
Yikes.
Wait, what? Wait, what happened?
10-4.
Wait, what'd they say?
The officers ran the gun's serial number, which turned up a surprise.
Can you run a signal 0 for me, please?
I'm finding one stolen out of Orange County.
Yikes.
She's cooked.
10-4. Can you put that information in the call, please?
How surprised would you be if I told you the gun was stolen
There's no
out of Orange County?
I knew. She's bad news. Did you see the
Yeah.
video?
No, I didn't see it yet. We're trying to get her a link.
Apparently she spits on him and then started dancing, like shaking her ass in front of us.
Yeah.
But that wouldn't be all that was in the car.
Oh, more stuff. He might have found more stuff.
Just gets
Man,
worse
she
and
full of
worse.
surprises.
Just gets worse and worse. While doing the inventory,
Oh, that is a lot.
that's definitely more than 2.
Holy shit.
But
Problem is, okay.
because it's an inventory surge, we didn't really have proper cause for that. Take it in Detroit. Receive County wants it.
Oh, yeah, call
Did y'all see her getting out of the vehicle by any chance?
Yeah.
So the gun's stolen, and she has
knew it.
a shit ton of weed.
Yeah. I knew. I asked her about the gun. Ooh. That's why I didn't touch anything, man.
Yeah.
Because before, like, usually what we would do is do a search warrant on the car.
Yeah.
So, but I asked her, like, when we were sitting there, I was like, yo, that gun, what's up with it? Where'd you get it from? Oh, my cousin. I'm like, are you sure it's not stolen? Because it's a Taurus, so those are like
to go to.
every other, right?
A couple minutes later, the officers asked the woman about the gun.
You got a lot going on. So, You stole the Miranda rights, right? That you read earlier. What's up with the gun? What's up with the gun that you had?
It's my gun.
It's your gun? How'd you get it?
I bought it for my cousin.
You bought it from your cousin?
Yeah, because he was gonna put it in the pawn shop because he was getting a new one. So I was like, just sell it to me instead of a pawn shop, because that way I'll give him more and I'll get it for less. You know?
When did you buy it?
Like a minute, like 8 months. And I've never shot it yet.
Do you know how he acquired that gun?
I think it's his. But he said it's clean, like he never used it. He just has guns.
So it's not.
It is clean. What do you mean?
It's a stolen gun.
What do you mean it's stolen?
So wherever that was from prior, you bought a stolen gun. So, on that note, what's up with?
So I'm going to jail?
Well, you're
Am I
going
going to
for
jail?
You're going for this
for
is-
the other stuff.
But
For the gun?
not for the gun, for the for this stuff.
So I'm going to jail for this?
Yeah.
So aggravated assault?
Yep.
So I'm going to jail.
So, another question. What's up with the weed?
I smoke weed.
You have a car?
See, so some people may think that this is a little strange, right? You're looking at her and she's laughing, right? And you're probably like, well, why is this chick laughing so much? What's so funny? I don't find anything funny. But sometimes the way people react to certain things is like that. It's like a nervous, like laugh, like an unbelievable type, like it's just a way that sometimes people react to things. And I could look at her body language right now and it's like, really, she probably was under the impression that it was legit. If that story is true, she bought it from her cousin or whatever, who knows how she acquired it, right? But if that story is true, she was done dirty, you know? But yeah, it's pretty much like a unbelievable. She knew she was going to jail for, you know, she knew she was dirty in general. She knew it was, as far as, even if it's not for the firearm, the other stuff that she got. So I don't know why she would decide to act like that, knowing that you hot right now. Fire burning. You see this around me? It's ice, right? This is an ice cold channel, man. Cold. She's burning, okay? Burning hot. Burning. So I don't know what possessed her to act like that, you know, because I think most people wouldn't even call the cops, right? I mean, as far as her shaking her butt and all that stuff, like the guy said in the beginning, you know, he probably not from the nicest neighborhood or whatever. He's seen stuff like that, whatever. And it's like, he wasn't even going to press charges, nothing. He's like, whatever. But it's because of her actions that, like, now it's the way you came across is like, yeah, you know what? We're going to teach you a lesson. And that just got things going, man. It is what it is, man. Lock her up.
Howdy.
Hey, scratch that. You guys are going to take it back with you.
Okay.
We're just going to do the inventory.
That's fine.
The officer charged the woman with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and possession of cannabis over 20 grams. She'd be ordered to stay away from the victim for the duration of her pretrial release. Eventually, the assistant state attorney dropped both charges, declining to file the assault charge in court and dropping the possession charge several months later after the testing of the substance was deemed insufficient.
Gotta love this stuff. Everything gets dropped.